Today we're going to be unboxing the VEATOOL X6 TWS earbuds. Here are the specifications. Take about 2 hours to charge, call time 6 hours, play time 5 to 6. Standby time is 10 to 15 days. The Bluetooth distance range is 12 meters. These do have wireless charging. So it comes in this nice black and red box with a really nice magnetic opening with super good presentation. These are the white ones. They'll have more colors available, but this is probably the nicest packaging on a pair of earbuds I've seen so far. You have a nice image right here. So here's the earbud case. Really compact. An amazing magnet. Very small and compact. These also have an LCD display, so you can see the percentage. So we have the earbuds here. We have some accessories. The Type-C cable and the accent in the inside is purple, which is really nice. Never seen that before. And it comes with the user manual. Really nice box and presentation here. So as you can see, they are charging wirelessly. They are fully charged right now, so that's why it's flashing. So let's go ahead and look at the earbuds. A really nice pair of earbuds here. So this is what they look like in the case. Really nice. This is a very premium looking pair of earbuds. You have Type-C, wireless charging. We're going to go and test the sound quality and show you the different features that you can do with this, which is really cool. Open up the earbuds. Go to other devices. It will be labeled as K6. Go and click it, and there we go. We are connected. Tap and hold the right earbud for next track. Tap and hold left earbud to previous track. Double tap the right earbud to increase volume. Double tap the left earbud to decrease volume. Triple tap to activate voice assistant on either earbud. Alright, I am back. I've been testing these for about a few days, and I'll give you my overall honest thoughts and opinions. So the sound quality on these are decent. Alright, the bass gets pretty good if you're pressing it in your ear, or you have a weird shaped ear and it's able to fit perfectly, but these do not fit my ears all too well, maybe because of the thick design, but it doesn't press in all the way as opposed to like normal AirPods or even silicone gel earbud tips, which is a bit of an issue because you're not getting the full sound quality unless you press the earbuds in for some people. Another concern is that these do not sound good on Android at all. I've tested it on iOS and I tested it on Android as well. I even tweaked some settings with the EQ, and I disabled absolute volume several times in developer options, which usually fixes it for some earbuds, but this one is not the case and it does not fix. For like a tablet or any other Bluetooth device, probably won't work the best. Apple, whatever they have in their Bluetooth technology, works flawlessly for these earbuds. Either it's from this company making it specifically for iOS, but at the same time making it available to other compatible devices. So yeah, the bass is decent. The lows can go pretty good and deep, nice and rich, if you have it pressed in. Now the highs, however, they're a bit of annoying, and during the song when it goes like a clap or something that just raises, it just goes like a full-on clap, like just a fast clap, and it's kind of annoying. Now apparently these are IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof. I'll probably have to test that out in this future video. And these are supposedly stereo earbuds. I'll also have to test out the battery life on these, but so far, I mean, they're pretty good. They say that this should last about 5 to 6 hours on a full charge. It takes about 2 hours to charge, which seems about right, but at the same time it seems pretty slow because these are Type-C. But other than that, I mean, I can't really complain. They are only $35. If you do want to buy them, I'll leave a link in the description, but I don't really recommend it if you're an Android user, mainly if you have like an iPhone. I have a call quality test of the earbuds for the microphones. We're gonna go and listen to this for a second. Testing 1, 2, 3. this is a sound quality test with the K6 TWS3 earbuds. I'm going to go ahead and place some wind sounds in the background. Let's see the exact same thing. You can't really hear yourself talking when there's outside or background noise. Now that was not real background noise, it was fake. But then again, any type of noise, it should be able to pick up your voice more than the background sound. That's the main point. But these don't do that. Anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. I will have 2 more videos featuring some type of earbuds and some other ones. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.